I will check Facebook. Maybe there's something new. Oh no! No way! Stephanie! Stephanie! Do you sit on Facebook once again? No, of course no, Daddy. I'm making my homework. Oh, okay, I won't disturb you. Well, I will make tomorrow homework. And what they write in here? Oh no, no way, I can't believe it. I can't believe it, I can't believe it. Whew, okay, I'm better now. I must call someone, Okay, I will call to Emma. Emma's Pizzeria. Yes, hello. Hi Emma, it's me, Stephanie. Hello, what pizza you want to order? Emma, I don't want to order any pizza. It's me, Stephanie. But we don't have any pizza like this. Emma! Oh, I'm sorry, Stephanie. I'm so busy right now. Tell me quick, what's happened? Emma, you must quickly go on your Facebook. But why? I can't right now. Emma, go on your Facebook. You won't regret this. Fast, quick. Okay, I will go then. Okay, bye-bye. Strange. Okay, so let's check what's so much important on Facebook. Whoa! Oh, it's starting! I can't wait! Oh! Hello, welcome on channel number 5. Today in the studio I will have a great guest. She won 2 Grammys and everyone knows in whole world who it is. We will have today in the studio Livi. She will go this red carpet and she will tell you about the new contest. You can wait, stay with us. Oh, here she is. Hello everyone. Come on, let's sit and you will talk about new contest. Okay, with my pleasure. Okay, Livi, what do you want to tell your fans? I want to say thank you for my fans and those who love me, for all the love that you gave me, for all these beautiful letters. Okay, go on. Well, okay, thank you for disturbing. I want to tell you about a new contest. Person who will first call to studio and tell me what's my greatest hit, I will invite this person for one day to my home. I'm waiting for a call from a person who I will spend with all day. Whoa, Livi, it's awesome contest! If you want to win the contest, you must call to the studio and tell what's the greatest hit of Livi. You can win whole day with Livi in her beautiful house. From here you can see all of Heart Lake City. It's really beautiful view. There's a beautiful pool, a balcony, and it's really exclusive inside. If you want to win, don't wait, call us. We are waiting for your call. We've got first contestants. Yes, we are waiting for your answer. Hello, it's Stephanie in here. Hi, Stephanie. What's your answer? Is that song is beating hearts? Are you sure that's your answer? Yes, I'm sure. It's beating hearts. No, I'm really sorry. It's not that song. Oh no, I say something wrong. We are waiting for next contestant. The next contestant is Noah. Hello, Noah. We are waiting for your answer. I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you too, Noah. Thank you. Oh gosh, she said it. We are waiting for the answer. What is the greatest hit, Livi? Is this toxic? Are you sure that your answer is toxic? Yes, for sure, it's toxic. I will think if I will like you, Noah. No, I'm really sorry. It's wrong answer. We are waiting for a next contestant. We've got another call. Hello, is this Emma Pizzeria? I think that you call a wrong person, mister. Okay, so I want to order a pizza with a cheese and the mushrooms and tomato sauce. Thank you and goodbye. I think that it was a wrong call. We are waiting for a next call. Is the next contestant? I hope that it will be a good answer right now. Hello. Hello. Hi, Livi. Hi, Olivia. Hello, you are on the channel number 5. Is this a love story? Is this your answer? Yes, I think that it's a love story. Yes, you won! Congratulations! Really? Oh no, I won! We see that you are very excited. Don't hang up, leave me your address and soon there will be a limousine for you. Thank you, Livi, for your visit and have a nice day with Emma. Yes, and I want to thank you for my fans, for my family, for my loved ones, for my... Okay. Thank you. Oh no, I can't believe I will meet Livi. People, I will meet Livi. Yoo-hoo! Oh gosh, it's limousine. Oh gosh. Hello, Emma. Come on, go on the red carpet. Hi, Emma. Hi. How do you feel winning the contest? Well, I feel like... I thought so. Are you excited meeting with Livi? Well, how can I tell you? I thought so. Okay, you can jump on a limousine. Oh, gosh. Oh, no. Emma, I heard about Livi. Oh, it's so great. Hey, bring me autograph. Honey, remember about Daddy. Hey, and let Livi write an autograph on my sleepwear. What? I thought about t-shirt. Okay, calm down. I must go now. Excuse me. Hello. Come on, go in. Whoa, what a car. The next stop, Livi's house. Woohoo! I know now where's Livi living. I can rob everything from her house. Excuse me, who are you? Well, I'm a new postman. I bring letters for you. Okay, let me see. Hey, but there's nothing in here. Are we there yet? Now we'll go up. And my mommy said to this part, and I didn't listen. And now down. Wah! We are here. Wah! Whoa! What a house! Hi, you're Emma, right? Hey, Emma, are you okay? Oh, yes, I'm sorry. It was a second. I'm sorry. Welcome in my home. You will spend here all day. Are you happy? Yes, I never was in a house like this. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, what a beautiful doggy. Music, go on. Okay, let's go inside. Come on. Oh, awesome. I will take an invitation too. I will steal something. I will see something. Go over me. Oh, it's so beautiful in here. Let's go inside. I will dress you like a real star. Really? Whoa, great! Welcome in my living room. Whoa, it's look really expensive. Okay, come on. Let's see if we will find something for you. Wow! Hey, and who's this? Here, in the window? Yes. Oh, it's paparazzi. Don't bother it. Here you go. It's your dress. I won't dress in the flash of camera. No. Go on to the bathroom. He won't see us. I will steal everything. And this paper. And this bone. And I will drink a drink. It's so nice to relax. Voila! It's a new you. Whoa! I look like a star. Come on, star. I will make you something to eat. It's the best day ever. Where are they? I can see them. Oh, show me. Hi. What are you doing? Hey, and who are you? Well, I'm paparazzi. It's my turn. No, I was first. Oh, look, Lady Gaga. Where? Wah! I fool him so fast. Ba-dum, ba-da-dum. And now we will go inside. Ba-da-dum. Okay, I broke the glass, but how I can fit in here? Ugh. I'm almost inside. Ugh. Oh no, I'm stuck. Okay, sweetheart, what do you want to eat? I will make you everything you want. Well, you know what? I want to eat fish and chips. You know what? I will make you a sushi, okay? Well, okay. Okay. What they write in here? Okay. A water and mix up. Okay, and it's done. And wait to boil it. Oh, okay, I know now. Ta-da! It's done. Whoa, Livi, so quick. Livi, and what's this? It's my special. It's my recipe. Whoa, Livi. You're so talented. I'm so beautiful. I'm so gorgeous. I'm so beautiful and gorgeous. I think that I find my new talent. I must work on it. Okay, Emma, let's now rest and I will tell you about my fans. I want to thank my fans and to my loved ones for all the supportive, for all the beautiful letters, for buying the tickets to my concerts, to buying my photos and my CDs and my posters. Emma, are you alive? Emma, listen! Oh, yes, I'm sorry, I'm listening you, Oh, what were you talking? I want to thank my fans for their letters, for the tickets, for the posters. Oh no. Okay, now jump to the water. Tato, słyszałaś, Livi? Oh no, I know what's this. Quick, to the garden. Wow, it's so fresh and cool. Livi, what's this? I knew this. Come on, let's call for help. Livi, where do you call? I'm calling for a friend. You will see. But please, don't be scared of him. But why? Hello? Yes. Come quick to my house. Come quick to my house. Come quick to my house. Okay, I will be waiting. Emma, now we must wait. I think there really should be a star. Oh, here it is. Look. Did I just disturb you? Huh? Batman? What are you doing in here? Don't disturb me. I'm just singing. You know, I was sitting in home and eating my Hummer, and then Livi is calling to me and tell me that you are sitting in a pool. I don't have time for this. What are you doing in here? Go to home right now. The house is in a cleanup. The clothes aren't washed. What are you doing? Oh, and I have so much fun. You always want to disturb me. And you know each other? Oh, gosh. Yes, it's my employee. But how come? Okay. But, mister, I wanted to feel like a star, to be famous. Okay, I will take you tomorrow on a red carpet, okay? But go to home and wash my clothes, please. Okay, I'm sorry. Batman, from where did you know that it's him? He dressed up like this all the time. He wants to be me, but he isn't, and he's really jealous. I go back. Whoa, it was awesome. Yes, and it's the best day ever. Really? Oh, but you must go now. Thank you for visit, and I hope that we will meet soon. Yes, I hope so. I will be on your concert. Okay, thank you. I'm waiting for this. Okay, bye-bye. See you. Oh, the day was awesome. First, I win a contest. Then I go by a limousine. I spent time with a superstar popstar, Livi. I met the Batman. It was awesome. It was the best day in my life. If you want to see more episodes with Lego friends, leave a thumbs up and leave a comment. Subscribe our channel. See you in the next episode. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye, Livi. Thank you. Thank you, Emma. And remember to say hi to my fans and my loved ones. Tell them that I appreciate what they are doing for me. I think that I will be a star too. Hey, what's that? Alfred, please sing to us. I'm so beautiful. I'm so gorgeous. I'm so beautiful and gorgeous, gorgeous. Lady Gaga, wow!